Hey guys, it's Breathe Blind, and I'm gonna play some Hearthstone for you today. And I think we're gonna just play some ranked mode, but yeah. So that's what we're doing. My cat is currently trying to get on the desk. Come on, Bowie. There you go. She's no, she wants to lay on the laptop. Go ahead. Okay, now she wants in the back of the chair. I don't think she knows what she wants. Right. Sorry about that. Let's go with Illidan. We'll just pick him, because I could go through all the decks, but we'll just pick Illidan. Pick Jamie, I could pick another one, but I don't want to.
Illidan versus Queen Ashara.
You return to serve me once more.
So we meet again.
I don't think I've played against Ashara with him, so this will be interesting.
One shot, one kill.
They will never catch me.
I'll give it a shot.
Job's done. Handle it!
I'll give it a shot.
Gotta go.
Job's done.
Alright then.
I'll give it a shot.
Gotta go.
Hit it very hard. Job's done.
You're going to
That's interesting. Unless they're getting big cards and saving out to hit me at the end, which could be possible, but
Enemies will send you 5 buttons to battlefield.
okay.
And special sign on the 4.
Let's see.
Maybe 2 4. L1 to 4. Battlefield 4 4. L1 to 4. Summon the right. Choose the target.
One shot,
Open zero.
one kill.
You summon L1 to 6. L1 to 8. You're the zero to 1 attack. And special sign on the 3. Maybe 2 3. Summon the right.
Handle it!
You summon Maybe minions take 1 attack. And battlefield 2 2. Summon the right. You summon battlefield. Your battlefield minions L1 to 1 7. Choose the target.
I'll give it a
Open zero.
shot.
Your first L1 to attack. Your open zero. Your open zero for 3 damage. Minions crimson take 1 0 7. Choose the target. Open Open
Gotta
zero.
go!
Your crimson take 1 attack. Your open zero. Your open zero for 3 damage. Minions maybe 3 0 7. Choose the
Hit
target. Open
it
zero.
very hard.
Your first maybe attack. Your open zero. Your open zero for 3 damage. Minions lightning 4 7. Choose the target. Open zero. Your lightning attack. Your open zero. Your open zero for 5 damage. Your open zero for 5 damage.
That was fast.
Stop it, it's time to event 2 stars. You are currently from stars, you have 3 stars.
Okay.
Quest purpose, select names of options, current purpose is 1 out of 10. Play out, choose 1 of 3.
Well, I won that one. If you like content like this, I should say, like,
Top
share,
studio 30.2.3, top studio
subscribe,
30.
and comment, and I will make more videos like this. Well, I'll make videos like this either way, but if you do like stuff like this, please share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.
Software damage check. Check. Software check.